Welcome. This video will cover the implementation of the K-means clustering algorithm. We'll walk through the codes step by step, explaining the K components like centroid initialization, iterative assignment, and convergence criteria. Let's get started. First, import libraries and load the dataset. The NumPy used for numerical calculations. Panda used for working with tabular data like Excel. Matplotlib.pylot used to create charts and graphs. K-means the clustering algorithm will use. LoadIris provides a built-in dataset of flower measurement. Standard scalar standardized value so they are easier to compare. And the PCA reduce data from 4 dimensions to 2 so we can plot it. Load the Irish dataset. Loads the Irish dataset which has data about different flower types. X is the actual flower data like petal length, width, and etc. Y is the actual species Setosa versicolor virginica used only to compare results. The second one, data processing. Standardize the data. This step makes sure each measurement like length or width has equal importance. Fit_transform learns the scaling and applies it to the data. The third one, apply K-means clustering. Creates a K-means model to divide the data into 3 groups because there are 3 flower types. Fit tells the computer to find these groups in the data and get cluster labels and cluster centers. Clusters tells which group each flower was placed in. Centers give the center point of each clusters. And the last one, visualize the clusters in 2D. PCA reduce the data from 4 features down to 2 so we can draw the 2D graph. X_PCA, the reduced version of the flower data. Centers_PCA, reduce the version of the cluster centers so they can match the graph. Plot the clusters and centroids. Sets the figure data, draws a scatter plot of the data colored by their cluster. Red X mark the cluster centers. Add labels and a title for clarity. PLT.show actually display the graph. And that's it. We've successfully implemented the K-means clustering algorithm. I hope this video helped you understand the codes in each application. Thank you for watching.